So I'm going to show you how to wire up your halo headlights for a Mazda Miata. Pretty much any 7-inch halo light, they're mostly advertised as Jeep lights. Same thing, sealed beam, 7 inches. These are the Turbo C, whatever, they're Amazon headlights. They're about 80 bucks, not too bad. So $80 for these, compared to $65 a piece from Auxbeam. We'll see how they work out. But so I'm not going to show how to install the actual headlights, just how to wire up the daytime running light halo into your turn signals. These ones also flash with the turn signal when you just have the daytime running light on. I would like to avoid that, but in order for these to work, you have to have both wires hooked up. I think the flashing halo is kind of cheesy, but it is what it is. So first off, you're going to have to take out your turn signals. So once these are out, twist, pull. Comes right out. I went ahead and took off the black housing just so you can see better, and plus it's easier to work with. So it's going to have these two little wires, yellow and white. Here's the light bulb for the turn signal. I just pulled it out. Normally they have clips. Mine wasn't clipped in. This one is. It's hard to take off, but I unclipped it just so it's easier to work with. So this white wire is going to go to the red wire. That's going to be your running light. The yellow wire is going to go to the green wire, and that's going to be your turn signal. You have to have them both plugged in. So just take a little razor blade, so here I just cut out a little bit of the wire. Use a little razor blade, X-Acto knife, and then I just used these guys to snip off the excess. So now I'm just gonna solder it up. So now that the soldering iron is all heated up, this is pretty much what I bought. It's just a cheap little soldering iron. I don't really know much about them. But what I do know is make sure you use electrical solder. Something about the fluxes in the middle, I don't know. Because I almost used plumbing solder, which apparently is really bad to do for electronics. So, electronic solder. So this one came out pretty good, the white and red. But man, I had such a hard time with this green and yellow one. This is like my first time soldering outside of high school, which was like 9 years ago, 10 years ago. But just tested them. Turn signal, daytime running lights on. Come on, focus. That right there is the halo, the DRL, daytime running light. So now, let me just put this back over here. So I wrapped those wires in electrical tape. I bought heat shrink, but I bought the wrong size. I don't really want to run back to the store. So yeah, there they go. I'll hook up the other one, put all this back together, and then do a distance shot showing you the lights, the halo, the turn signal, and everything.